If you use Google Chrome browser, consider to watch this from beginning to the end and see important settings you need to disable right now in order to boost the performance of your Google Chrome browser. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Chrome browser. Then next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on these three dots, and this is going to pop up. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to settings right here, and it's going to open up a setting window right here. Then next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, head over to system. Then this is going to pump up. What you need to do right here, continue running background apps when the Chrome is closed. This is not necessary. Make sure you turn it off. And with that, you are going to experience more improving performance of your Chrome browser, and you're going to save more energy on your Windows PC or your Mac. It's that simple. So basically, this is one of important buttons you need to disable right now on your Chrome browser for better performance and efficiency. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial about Google Chrome setting and Google Chrome browser features, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.